Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we turn confusing corporate reports into something you can actually understand. Today we are diving into a report from Seven Hills Realty Trust. This one is a bit like a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat, but instead of a rabbit, it's financial details that might make you scratch your head. Before we get started, if you are into getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure to subscribe. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Come join us and talk about business. This report is called an 8K. Companies use these to quickly tell investors about big news. Think of it like a financial bat signal. This one came out on June 2, 2025, so it is pretty recent. Seven Hills Realty Trust is the company we are looking at today. They are a real estate investment trust, or REIT. That means they own or finance real estate that produces income. Basically, they are in the business of making money from properties. They are incorporated in Maryland and their IRS number is 246499929. This Form 8K filing is letting everyone know that Seven Hills Realty Trust has an investor presentation on their website. It's like a slideshow they want investors to see. The presentation probably goes over their recent performance, strategy, and what they expect in the future. The report mentions Regulation FD disclosure. This is a rule that says companies need to share important information with everyone at the same time. That way, not just a select few get an advantage, it keeps things fair. The important thing here is that Seven Hills Realty Trust wants investors to look at their presentation. We don't have all the details in this report, but we know where to find them. It's all about seeing how the company is trying to present itself and its plans. And now let's talk about what all this means. Seven Hills Realty Trust is trying to get investors excited about something. Maybe they had a good quarter, maybe they have a new strategy, or maybe they just want to keep their stock price up. Investor presentations are all about showing the company in its best light. Without seeing the actual presentation, it is hard to know exactly what Seven Hills Realty Trust is highlighting, but we can guess some things they might talk about. Real estate investment trusts often focus on things like occupancy rates, which is how full their buildings are. Also net operating income, or NOI, which is how much money they are making from their properties after expenses. They might also talk about any new investments or property sales they have made. Also batting income, or NOI, which is how much money they are making from their properties after expenses. They might also talk about any new investments or property sales they have made. Dead, so what can we take away from this 8K filing? Well, first, Seven Hills Realty Trust is actively communicating with investors. That is usually a good sign. Second, they are following the rules about sharing information fairly. Third, if you are interested in this company, go look at that investor presentation. It will give you a much better idea of what they are up to than this report alone. Their stock trades as SEVN on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC exchange. Now, Seven Hills Realty Trust, being a real estate investment trust, faces a unique set of challenges and opportunities. Interest rates are a big deal for them. If interest rates go up, it can be more expensive for them to borrow money to buy new properties. That can hurt their growth. The economy also matters a lot. If the economy is doing well, people are more likely to rent apartments or lease office space. That means more money for Seven Hills. The real estate market itself can be tricky. Some areas are booming while others are struggling. Seven Hills needs to be smart about where they invest. They also have to compete with other REITs and real estate companies. Alright, that's our breakdown of Seven Hills Realty Trust's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.